dear friends, myself Professor Kodide Rishikesh and you are watching BSc Botany Studies Classes channel. Here we are going to discuss about the SYBSc. The syllabus is presented on the screen where you will find there are 2 credits. In first credit we are going to discuss about the first chapter, second point. The point is that the scope and importance of biotechnology. In the short, we can say the applications of biotechnology. So points are given in the syllabus. According to that, we will discuss about the application of biotechnology here. So I will write the title, that is Scope and Importance of Biotechnology. So there are 4 to 5 points comes under this category. So first application or scope of biotechnology, we can say that is a red biotechnology. I will discuss why it is called as a red biotechnology. The second point is that green biotechnology. I am writing both these points together because it will be easy to remember for these points in exam point of view. The first of all, the green biotechnology was discovered or identified as the use of biotechnology, because in green biotechnology we generally involve the environmental related issues. The plants are green in color, that's why it is called as green biotechnology. The red biotechnology is nominated as red biotechnology because this is something which is involved in medicinal, which we called as a pharmac related issues are solved by the red biotechnology. Means what? The severe disease such as insulin related disease, which is we call it as a diabetes, or cancer disease or AIDS, can be cured by the application of this red biotechnology. This red biotechnology is very applicable. Current scenario, everyone know about 2020 year, he is affected by the COVID-19 virus, which is a coronavirus. Due to that, pandemic situation has been created. Now in India, various companies have come forward to create the vaccine and many people are vaccinated nowadays. Why I am talking this is very important. The vaccine preparation come under the red biotechnology category. So this is the red biotechnology is very important. Here we generally study or give application of biotechnology in medicinal point of view, in disease related point of view, which is very essential in order to longevity of our life. If you want to live longer period in healthy situation, healthy condition, we need to take various medicines. This biotechnology helps a lot for this purpose. Another main application of this red biotechnology is that stem cell. We are talking about scope and importance of biotechnology. The first point is red biotechnology. In red biotechnology, we have discussed the pharmaco-related point of biotechnology. The second point in red biotechnology is a stem cell technology. What is this stem cell technology? Nowadays, various industries such as the Reliance industry have been coming forward to initiate this stem cell technology, donation of stem cell of newborn babies. So what is the role of the stem cell in our life is very essential. In adult life, the person may feel the failure of organ such as liver or kidney. By the stem cell, we can generate this kidney and liver in laboratory. We can literally transplant this kidney and liver into the person. If the person have the stem cell of his own, then this is very easy to transplant the organ. We can prepare the organ in laboratory. We just need to transplant that organ into the human body. So stem cell technology is very essential and has very vast application in human life, because sometimes organ failure cannot be recovered. Okay, so we have discussed here the medicinal point of view as well as a stem cell technology. The another sub point in red biotechnology is that DNA fingerprinting. So what is this DNA fingerprint? Everyone knows about fingerprint. Our thumb have a specific type of fingerprint. It is an identity of that person. When we generally generate our Aadhaar card, we generally give a biometric information such as our fingerprints. Likewise, our DNA, when we run our DNA in a jail, it creates certain pattern, that is our fingerprint. In solving many cases in murder or rape category, this DNA fingerprinting helps us a lot, which also comes under the RAID biotechnology. I am telling you the importance of biotechnology in human life, in day-to-day life also. So RAID biotechnology has vast impact in our life. So it is very essential. In generally MCQ pattern question, this RAID biotechnology topic is very much highlighted. Another point comes under this is gene therapy. I am writing in a short. We are talking about RAID biotechnology. So what is this gene therapy? Sometime it has been found that person may suffer from failure of gene such as insulin gene. So what is this insulin gene perform is not our topic of discussion, but remember the diabetes caused to the person because of this insulin. Sometimes insulins are not produced inside the person, that is diabetes type 1. And another type is diabetes type 2, in which insulin is produced inside the person, but the liver cell do not respond to that insulin. So friends, the next point is green biotechnology. So what is green biotechnology is very easy to understand here. In green biotechnology, we generally solve the environmental related issues. So what is the common environmental related issue you know very well, that is pollution. These pollutions are of different type. Sometimes you will find air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. So this pollution can be controlled by various treatment methods. The pollution is caused by mainly the agent which we call as pollutant. These pollutants are responsible for pollution. In soil mainly, in water, if the pollutants are present, then they cause pollution. When we use the certain plants which absorb these pollutants, if this is a soil, if you plant the any particular plant there which contain leaves, this plant absorbs the toxic metal ions, toxic chemicals inside the plant from the soil. Then that plant comes under the category of phyto, very big word, phytoremediation. Remediation means what? Recovering. By using the plant, we are recovering the soil. Soil was initially infected, or we can say polluted by the pollutants. These plants are recovering this, that's why it is phytoremediation. In your syllabus, chapter number 6, which is a bioremediation, in which we will discuss more about this phytoremediation. But here, remember, we are using the plant to recover something for controlling the pollution, that's why it is a phytoremediation. We are using organism here, that's why it is a biotechnology. Here we are talking about the scope or importance of biotechnology. The green biotechnology has great impact. Which impact? That is the pollution control impact. So it was the second type. Let's discuss about the third type of third scope of the biotechnology, that is, or we can write C, industrial biotechnology. So what is this industrial biotechnology is very easy to remember here. In industrial biotechnology, we generally have target to produce certain different enzymes, which enzymes generally required by the laboratories at various school, colleges and various company level. So in industrial biotechnology, we have target to produce certain enzymes as well as we have target to produce certain proteins. So in industrial biotechnology, we generally focus upon the proteomics. What is this proteomics is very essential to understand here. Proteomics means the study of sum total of all protein produced by a particular cell. The cell is producing the protein inside the organism, but here in industrial level we are producing those proteins. The most famous example of the beverage production, where you will find various alcohol based beverages such as wine or beer are produced by the industrial level using the yeast or the enzymes which are present inside the yeast. So this biotechnology has the role in industrial level. In large aspect, this biotechnology in economic growth plays very much important role. That's why it is very significant to write the scope of or importance of biotechnology at industrial level. That's why it is industrial biotechnology. And the fourth type of or fourth scope of biotechnology is that in agriculture. And I would say this is the most important type of or scope of biotechnology, where you will find the why it is so important. You will say the red biotechnology is most important as compared to this agricultural biotechnology. But remember, if you have good health but you don't have food to eat, then the medicine is useless. The population is ongoing. The number of people who are taking the medicine are increasing their life. At the same time, new babies are taking birth per day. So the population is increasing. To keep the pace with this growing population, we have to create certain plant species by the technology which is known as plant tissue culture. This plant tissue culture has a magical science in which you can literally create a transgenic plant or recombinant plant or genetically modified plant, which we call as a GMO, genetically modified organisms. These plants have maximum production rate as well as good disease capacity. So they can fight against pathogen as well as insects, and at the same time they give more production. So I have explained the 4 different advantages or applications or the scope of the biotechnology, and I am sure you must have understood what I am trying to tell you here. In exam, the MCQ type of question are based upon the whatever we have discussed here, as well as if they ask you the long question answer to write upon the points, you can write these 4 points in a detail. With this, I will stop here. We will meet in our next point with the remaining portion of the chapter number 1st. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and please like the video. Bye.